Frustrated by the Openimagedenoise library DLL error causing Intel rendering to hang? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I'll help you resync those external dependencies today. To start our troubleshooting for Openimagedenoise library, you can follow my manual steps or use a utility for a clean environment review. This is the Openimagedenoise library, the core execution library for Intel's Openimagedenoise, OIDN. It uses AI deep learning models to remove noise from ray-traced images. It is a mandatory dependency for 3D modeling tools like Blender. If missing, the Denoise feature in the renderer will report a module failed to load or cause an immediate graphics engine crash. Now that you have the context, let's move into the repair process with a fresh installation. To properly restore Openimagedenoise library DLL, we must refresh both the software runtimes and hardware drivers. Install the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime for legacy DirectX compatibility, and update your GPU software if the file is part of your system's compute or graphics stack. If the setup package didn't provide a resolution, we need to look under the hood at how your system handles current session configurations. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Openimagedenoise library file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video, or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. If the initial power cycle failed to restore functionality, we will now proceed to infrastructure level support. You may pause the video now to ensure your environment is ready. Because the initial reinstall failed, you must verify the structural integrity of your software, and you should run the repair option within the application setup menu. This forces the system to compare your local DLL file against the official version and replace any data that is found to be truncated or damaged. Why are we doing this? Well, files inside application directories can become corrupted during a failed update, and integrity checks are designed to specifically target and fix these silent file errors. For a clean and stable recovery, it's important to stay within verified developer ecosystems. Most individual downloads of Openimagedenoise library DLL are not digitally signed, meaning they haven't been verified for safety by the original software developer. A verified diagnostic utility can help manage the ongoing restoration and health of your system's library ecosystem. For users seeking more stable application launches, the diagnostic tool below outlines Openimagedenoise library optimization concepts. Thank you for watching. To continue receiving professional-grade solutions for Openimagedenoise library and other PC errors, please subscribe to our support community.